your hoe throw it back. I make your hoe throw it back. I make your hoe throw it back. I make your hoe throw it back. What's up, nigga gon' rock out. In the mosh pit, nigga get pushed out. In the mosh pit, nigga get pushed out. In the mosh pit, nigga get pushed out. On the phone with your homie, she freaked out. Try to play up my bitch, but you bet not. She keep, I don't love no thought. She keep, I don't love no thought.
Yo, what's going on everyone? Today I'm finna show you how I can make them 9 vicious type of beats, more specifically slime business type of vibe. So without any further, let's go right into it. So I made this beat a while ago, and the beat I showed you in the intro was pitched down -3. So this is the original one. Why I did -3? Just to match the vocals to the beat, so I can show you in the intro, but it came out kind of fire. So I started off with the sample, this flute. Like I fuck with how it's like dumb and just one note repeats itself, but the volume like rises and then like comes back. I fuck with it. When I hear the flute, I immediately think about the Elena, Lil Key, Lil Got It, you know, Sa Baby, YSL, In Prime, because this is the time I started tapping into the music scene. Then I threw this reverb. Then this sooth, what I do, I just put my bass and the melody in harmony, you know? And I don't do it like this, like everybody does. Cut out the whole section of the melody, you know? I just throw sooth on it and then sidechain to this track. Boom. Sooth had like a sidechain feature in it. So I turn on the sidechain, make the shape some shit like this. And pick right here the sound that I want to be sidechaining. And now when bass plays, hey wait. That's the exact frequency it's needed, you feel me? Then the same kind of principle, this limiter. So I did this preset and also sidechain with the bass, and it's like crazy, it's like distorted effect. Just a little bit on this beat. Now let me show you the pattern of the bass. G sharp is root note, G sharp minor scale. So I spammed the G sharp as a main note and added a couple of these. Like first it was like this. You know, and just kept going. But I removed this one, added this one, and removed this one. And looped it, and I kept this note but moved it to E, and at this part I turned it up. I returned this note, doubled here, double here, and added like this little roll, and then I just copied over right here. Then I added this goofy like harp from Contact, orchestral harp. What I did here, just spam this like tension notes that are right next to each other, and the root note too, just up, down, up, down, up. Also chill one here, and then it turns it up. What I did here, just the same shit as like you do with hats, this roll and the velocity, and it creates cool effect when you do it with harp. Then I like added a couple of more notes here and change the order a little, so it's like not repetitive. Then what I did here in this pattern, I just copy paste it, one up, and then I copied one more time and one octave down, and just like this. Then I did this like hi-hat, just 2-step with couple rolls and these like lower notes, like that creates a little bit more bounce towards the end of the 2-bar. Clap, not crazy, just a regular one. With these like filler notes too in betweens, doubles, that's it. And open hat. Just follow the bass. You know, snare. Maybe I should like do it with no snare, but like, you feel me? Then I did a couple of these like percussions. Laser with like a little reverb on it, like this, and zap too. just also a little reverb. Zap with like panning left and right. And then I did this like tone. Also match it to the note, you feel me? Right here. Also in G sharp. If you're not gonna put it in a note, it might like fuck up your lower frequencies overall in the beat. But at first, before you do that, before you place it to the right note, check the note here. So it's like G sharp here, and you go put it in G sharp here. And that's basically, in terms of like mixing, I did put a lot of like sooths on it with the same purpose as like the bass and in the melody, to put every each of the sound. If they clash, I put them in harmony, you know what I'm saying? So let's say when hi-hat plays, so I put the open hat as a sidechain, and when the open hat plays, hi-hat frequencies like that. You know that? And I just heard what clashing, and I just did the shit to every of these cases, and then I just leveled it up, put in stereo, couple of these perks, 3 of them, and that's it for real. That's it for real. On the master, I just put soft clipper. This is the plugin that like glues everything together, makes it a little louder. Don't do it too much, you feel me? And this is just the plugin that checks the volume. Just this for my YouTube type beat shit, you feel me? To check the mix. This one, then retro color, a lot of noise. Turned off the EQ. Then delay, reverb, also soothe with the bass. Should I do this? Yeah. By the way, all the drums are from our Aura 2 kit right here. You can copy it on our website. Aura 2, Aura 1, Cloud9 sample pack, all the other kits. Peep them, all of them are free. Enjoy the free shit while it's available, you feel me? So hey bro, I appreciate y'all watching this. If you like this video, sub up, leave a like. Let's get this channel to 1K. I'll be grinding here every day. Stay tuned for new kits. I'm out.